Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker EDIFIER D32 with your PC. You have to start by click one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, press this line or click Enter. After that, at the right top, we have a button Add Device. You need to press this button. If you have Windows 10, you will see a device button at the top. In this window, you need to select Bluetooth, so press on it also. And then we need to turn on the speaker. So at the bottom, at the left side, we have power button. Press and hold this button until you will see the LED light. Now make sure that you have blue LED light. If you have green, red or white, you need to press one time to change this sound mode. So press, now we have red, white and now blue. Now if your speaker do not connect it with another devices, it will enter to prank mode automatically, and you know it by the LED light what start blinking blue. If it's do not enter to prank mode automatically, or your speaker already connected with another device, you need to press and hold Bluetooth button, what located near to the power button. You just press and hold until the LED light start blinking blue. But I recommend it to do this because in this speaker, sometimes you don't want to enter to prank mode automatically, even if this LED light blinking blue. Now we see this speaker as a device list, and you need to click on it and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!